Hey beauties, how are you doing? It's me, Evie, and I hope I have found you on a beautiful spring day. It is not spring exactly here. We still have quite a bit of snow on the ground and the wind has been insane. But nevertheless, I have a FabFitFun spring box reveal today. Okay, so something you might notice different about my FabFitFun box is I have a big yellow sticker that says add-ons are inside. So add-ons aren't something that you have to do. It's just if you see a product that FabFitFun offers you, then you can add that to your box. So I have 3 add-ons. They are the invisible scrunchie. Holy cow, it's not leather. I'm addicted to these invisible bobbies, a leather coated one, and it does have the regular, just the regular little springy things on the inside. So it doesn't get caught in your hair. And I pretty much wear these non-stop. So the next thing I got is something I've been wanting to try. It is a plumping lip glaze from Stila. I love Stila brand. I was first introduced to Stila way back in 2012 when I went to a makeup conference in the city in New York. This is a plumping. It has the little brush on one side and a twisty on the other to twist the product down. And then the third thing I got, because it was a discounted item also, if anybody has the pink version of this, knows these are amazing. They're makeup erasers and they're a rag, and you just pull it out of the plastic and use it. There's so many good things about this that I could sit here and tell you. But the best thing is if you use it dry while you're doing your makeup, and say you put your foundation on first, which most people do, I don't, but most people, you take this and you softly rub it over the area where the eyeshadow is. It will take the eyeshadow off and not touch your face. It's a miracle worker, actually. So now that my add-ons are out of the way, let's get into this box. So as always, there's some coupons, and now they've got a promotional thing where you can send your friend a postcard. There's some stickers. Everybody loves stickers, right? And then the FabFitFun book. And in here, we'll tell you about the products that you purchased. It has a little editor's note. It's just a lot of fun things in here. Going along that same line as the eraser, I will show you these first. I did not choose these. These were actually just put in my box. I will explain all that at the end. So this is one of the things that was in my box that was a surprise. And from the company Say Hello. And it's SAIE, Say Hello. And these are makeup removers. It says, ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. So I'm assuming machine wash warm, do not bleach, tumble dry. And I guess you can remove your makeup with these. I don't have makeup on except for mine. So yes, so I would suppose they work around the same way that the eraser does. I will have to try those out to see, but reusable. Okay, so I think that's a pretty awesome concept. They're trying to save the world, to take away using makeup wipes so much. I personally have been doing that. I haven't been depending on my makeup wipes as much as like alternative versions to clean my face. So the next item that was picked for me was from Each Jeweler. And that's just www.eachjewels.com. These lovely little daisy clips. It's a 2-pack and they retail for $30. Let's see if it will hold a little bit of a bang. Oh, good. It makes it stick out. Yay. Let's stick another one in there. Okay. Can you see that? It's cute. I like that. And I would never pay $30 for hair clips. So thank you for that. That's one of the things I do like about FabFitFun. It's like, it's things that you would never pay for yourself that you get in these boxes. Like, literally would have never paid that for those. They're beautiful. They're probably really good quality. It's just one of those things that, like, for $30, I mean, I could get jewelry. I could get, you know, one Starbucks drink. No, just kidding. Okay, so there's that. So the next items that was picked for me come together, or they are at least listed in price together. So for these two together, it's $44. This is a tiny watermelon brightening serum. This is a mini. Oh, how cute. Let's see if it smells good. Okay, I don't smell any. Let's just rub it on my face. Do you notice the difference? I do not smell a thing. I'm not even sure what it's supposed to do. Let's see if the big one, what does it say it is? Okay, that was a serum, and this bigger version is a mask for brightening, and it's a watermelon brightening mask. I like the matte texture. That's nice. I like that. And it also has a twist bottom where you just, that definitely, so I guess you just put that on your face. Okay, so with this one, you rub it on your skin like so, and you let it dry for 5 or 10 minutes, and then you wash it off with warm water. So that's cool. I'm actually really excited to use that. I suppose you just put this one on afterwards to, you know, make your face all shiny. So together these retail for $44. So the next item picked for me is Ahava. It's a freshening cleansing gel. And you can remove your makeup with this. So you could use this with your little rounds. It says it's gentle, soapless gel, works a deep daily cleanser. Ideal for removing makeup and impurities, leaves your face feeling fresh, clear, and supple. Massage onto wet face and rinse off thoroughly. So yeah, you can use this with your little sponges. That's awesome. This retails for $24. And the next thing is a surprise because it's in a box and I don't know what it is. So this is an item that was picked for me. Oh my gosh. It is a cacti. Oh, the next item picked for me is from Pink Skies, Looking Sharp. 21 ounce cactus cup with a straw. It wasn't what I thought it was at first. Anyway, yeah. So that will be unique to drink from. Hi, I'm with a sippy cup. Oh my god. So this retails for $20. And you know, it's a twist top straw adult sippy cup thing, I would suppose. So yeah, that's interesting. And now I can't get it back together. There, it's not hard, it was just me. So yeah, so then the next three things I chose. So when customization opens, you get to choose items, 3 I believe for everybody, 3 things out of choices that they allow you. And so in the section that I chose this from, this was the only thing that I would even attempt to use. So this actually retails for $65. So this pretty much is probably a great, you know, product to be using. Evie, use it, don't look old. The next thing I chose was from Summer and Rose, and this retails for $20, and it is something that I needed. It is a tweezer with a slant. Let me see if I can get it out of the place. So it comes with this cute little pouch, and it is a slant tweezer. So the third thing I picked was these. This is a Glam Ultra Toning set, and it's in like Tiffany green and purple, and it's stretchy bands. It's different than I've ever seen before, really. It's, I don't know. So you can put this on your feet and your arms, and oh, it's got a really good stretch to it. And you can pull up and pull down. You know what they're for, people. They're for, it smells really good. I'm weird. No, it doesn't smell. It does. It kind of does smell good. It's rubber and good. Okay, so it comes with a mini ab ball. Do you blow it up, people? You people that, you know, do these things. I'm not sure exactly what exercise you do with a very light ball, but I'm sure the kids will love it. It's all squishy, and it's pretty, and it smells good and rubbery. I like that smell. Oh my God, what is wrong with me? So these 2 things, and a little straw to blow it up with, retails for $50. Okay, so I want to explain just a little bit how FabFitFun works. You subscribe to a seasonal box, and when it comes up, you get a period of time to purchase any of the add-ons. And the add-ons are just products that they are able to offer us at a very discounted price. So then that ends and customization opens, and that means that you can pick some of the things in your box, and that goes for a certain period of time. Add-on and customization closes. So for the spring box for March, add-ons opened in February on the 4th. Customization opened on the 5th. So add-ons and customization closed on February the 8th. Then you get billed on the 10th. Then they process, they ship, and you get your transit and delivery information. And it's about 7 to 10 business days. it's really a really good box for people, especially for people who can't go out and buy a $40 mask for their face, or use a $65 eye cream. This is just a way that you are able to use these products and not have to pay the price. So I have an annual plan. It's the standard box, and you can choose to pay that summer, spring, fall, winter all together at one time, or you can pay it annually. And so we just paid it one time, and then the only other price that is added on to that is the extras, like the scrunchie, the lip plumper, and the eraser. So that is how that works. I have been enjoying it. It's fun to get something that you don't know you're getting, and it's also fun to choose a few things that you like. And of course, discounts are amazing. I usually try not to go over one or two, but I did 3 this time. Shame on me. I wanted to post this up for you. I will leave some information in the description, and I hope you enjoyed this. Remember, be your own beautiful. Like, comment, and subscribe.